Welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host Andrew Spanton. Thursday, July 30th, 2009, 4:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. What a day! What a day! What a crappy day. Dollar really no follow through. Euro dollar really going nowhere. Sterling with great house price data as cable. Really the relative strength winner. Aussie dollar. Relative strength winner. Oil, gold, all up. Bond yields down. Major auction went fairly well. Stock market sold off late in the day, but was up big. Sterling yen to the moon. Dollar index, did it reverse? I don't think so. As much as I want to say double top here, maybe we come in, I got to tell you, I'm looking to buy the pullback in dollar index. I think this GDP number is going to suck. Coming out tonight, Asia's going to be active for sure. But dollar index to me looks, maybe we come in here and maybe we close stronger on Friday. I'm not sold into this. One day event. We didn't take out previous day highs, but there are some things, this euro dollar really went nowhere. Hey, listen, maybe this euro dollar is a great buy. Looking at the hourly chart, it may have turned. Absolutely. Let's take a look. Looks like it's rolling over now, but certainly you can make a case that the whole downtrend, this whole violent downtrend, may have, stopped. And now, basically we're going to start turning 10, 20, 30, crossing to the upside. Maybe we get up to 41.50. Possible. So, but, again, I think we probably pull in, maybe double bottom. If any rallies, I think we sell off. I'm not bought on it, baby. So I'm looking to sell the strength. Any strength tonight, I'm looking to sell. Dollar yen. Dollar yen is an hourly chart in dollar yen. Listen, it's broken out. Took out some major channel line areas. Took it out. Now it's below it, obviously. But again, this whole 95.50 level is big. And I think, again, even on the hourly, we see this, how important 96.50 is. So it looks to me like dollar yen can get in the zone. If the futures are going to be up, I think this dollar yen certainly looks like it's going to go. I've been terrible in dollar yen lately. Absolutely terrible. Getting shaked and baked around ridiculously. I feel like an amateur in dollar yen. Listen, this market is not easy. Those who think it's easy, kudos to you. I feel like I should have taken July off. Yeah, we had a good couple of days. Great couple of days, but July I'm still down. Today sucked. August usually much better. I do much better August, September, October. October. That's when the stock market goes down. Never going down, the stock market. Never, not ever, never. So dollar yen, again, if you take a look here, I mean, listen, it's broken out, right? So we should be long. I can't believe I'm saying it. I can't believe I reversed in the stock market. If you got my twits, I wanted to throw up. Stock market melted down a little bit in the end of the day, and I threw in the towel. But I did throw in the towel pretty close to when sterling yen was 157.55. Went higher than lower. So I threw in the towel and carry trade come in at that point. I'm like, you know what? It's 315, 310. We're just not coming in. We're not coming in. Sterling dollar daily chart. You zoom in. All right. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Sterling really has to close above 65.50 for me to get bullish. Unless we close above 65.50, I think we come right back into the fold again. Yeah, it was a good house price data, but the GDP still sucked. Still not great stuff going on in London. So sterling dollar, to me, maybe tonight's the night. Maybe it goes. No data coming out. More data coming out of Eurozone, CPI. And I just want to look at this dollar Swiss. Nice little doji formation here. Dollar Swiss does look like it could be going down to the downside. Down. Aussie dollar, I know I showed you that yesterday. Just want to show you that quickly. Took out previous day high. You would think it's bullish, but I don't know. I'm not sold. I think I'm going to short it. New Zealand dollar, I want to show you this one. Sometimes that's a leader sometimes. Showing us the way. Look at this Kiwi. That report, that interest rate decision and the statement was not very hawkish at all. Closing low in the Kiwi. I like this Kiwi as a short tonight, big time. I think it rolls over. I mean, listen, what? I think it's going to collapse? No. Well, maybe 164.50. I think it'll take out previous day lows. Euro sterling. Before I do that, let's do, here we go. So there's oil. Oil, major day today. It came back nicely, it did, but again, I think oil, to me, has to get through 68 and has to take out 62.50 before you get the real direction. I think, we chop around, but I think oil is busted. I think this whole issue with limiting contract size is very important to oil, and oil could sell off because I think a lot of players can't manipulate it like they used to. Looking at gold, no real rally in gold. Gold inside day not impressing me at all. And I think gold still comes in. Another reason why my dollar bullish scenario still is intact. S&P futures, nice reversal. I don't know. Hourly chart, I like to look at a little bit more. Hourly chart in the S&P is certainly a nice sell-off in the alley, but breaking this. Got to take out, really, 975. 975 in the S&P would be a nice break. 980, too. 980 would be a nice breakdown. So Euro sterling again broke through this whole uptrend channel. Does not look good. Euro sterling looking terrible, actually. So looking at this Euro sterling, to me, looks to me this Euro sterling, look at this dollar yen closing very strong right now. Euro sterling rolling over, busted, breaking down, cable with good data. This really looks like it's starting to build some momentum. Cable should be the relative strength winner. Euro the loser. Should we continue on this path? I think we've got to sell on strength, though. I think this baby's ready to crack. Look at that. Monster spot. Enjoy your channel line here. Again, U.S. GDP coming out. I think that's going to be very weak. Monster spot. Should we break down this Euro sterling, people? Look out. We get a major move down in the euro or an explosion in cable. Take your pick your poison. One or the other, that's for sure. So, Euro sterling certainly not looking very good. Cable should continue to be the relative strength winner. Looking at the euro yen daily chart. And again, remember, twitter.com/voice of Forex. That's my Twitter. I didn't twit very good today. Very well today. I'm not going to be able to have it on every day. Today, I was just messed. I tried getting hypnotized. You want to know the truth? I was trying to get hypnotized, stop smoking, and deal with other stuff. Past life regression, I do believe in that. I can't go under. I still have never been hypnotized in my entire life. Too high stress, too much stuff on my mind. That's what the guy kept saying. But I'm going to keep at it, though. I want to not smoke in the apartment, at least. Euro yen, nice move up today. Held the doji. As long as this 133 level holds, I guess Euro yen looks all right. Held the line. Held the line. Sterling yen. And again, if you have any questions about going premium or any question about any aspect of my business, feel free to email me at info@globalfxradio.com. Sterling yen is broken out. It's gone like the wind. Look at this baby. I mean, how can you fight this? Watch, it'll be down. And U.S. GDP coming out, unless GDP's up, I think this baby's going to be down going into it. But we broke this whole downtrend channel line. Since we've broken that, we're making new highs, closing high in sterling yen. Just looking marvelous. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me at info@globalfxradio.com. Aussie yen is the last one I'll do. Take a quick look there. Another closing high. So much for that doji. It could be gone like the wind. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio YouTube, the only voice you will ever need. Forex that loves to make you money, and it kills me when I don't.